A team led by Van Andel Institute scientists has identified two distinct types of obesity with physiological and molecular differences that may have lifelong consequences for health, disease and response to medication. The findings, published today in the journal Nature Metabolism, offer a more nuanced understanding of obesity than current definitions and may one day inform more precise ways to diagnose and treat obesity and associated metabolic disorders. The study also reveals new details about the role of epigenetics and chance in health and provides insights into the link between insulin and obesity. Nearly 2 billion people worldwide are considered overweight and there are more than 600 million people with obesity, yet we have no framework for stratifying individuals according to their more precise disease etiologies, said J. Andrew Pospisil, Ph.D., chair of Van Andel Institute's Depart. Using a purely data-driven approach, we see for the first time that there are at least two different metabolic subtypes of obesity, each with their own physiological and molecular features that influence health. Translating these findings into a clinically usable test could help doctors provide more precise care for patients. Currently, obesity is diagnosed using body mass index, BMI, an index correlated to body fat that is generated by comparing weight in relation to height. Using a combination of laboratory studies in mouse models and deep analysis of data from Twins UK, a pioneering research resource and study cohort developed in the United Kingdom, Pospisil and his collaborators discovered 4 metabolic subtypes that influence individual body types, 2 prone to LA. Somewhat surprisingly, the team found that the second obesity type also was associated with increased inflammation, which can elevate the risk of certain cancers and other diseases. The study revealed that the inflammatory subtype appears to result from epigenetic changes triggered by pure chance. They also found that there seems to be no middle ground. The genetically identical sibling mice either grew to a larger size or remained smaller, with no gradient between them. A similar pattern was seen in data from more than 150 human twin pairs, each of whom were virtually the same genetically. Our findings in the lab almost carbon copied the human twin data. Depending on the calculation and traits in question, only 30% to 50% of human trait outcomes can be linked to genetics or environmental influences. That means as much as half of who we are is governed by something else. This phenomenon is called unexplained phenotypic variation, UPV, and it offers both a challenge and untapped potential to scientists like Pospisil and his collaborators. The study indicates that the roots of UPV likely lie in epigenetics, the processes that govern when and to what extent the instructions in DNA are used. Today's findings underscore the power of recognizing these subtle differences between people to guide more precise ways to treat disease. Pospisil is hopeful that the team's findings will inform development of future precision medicine strategies and lead to a version of their method that may be Make a Difference. Sponsored Opportunity StorySource. Materials provided by Van Andel Research Institute. Note: content may be edited for style and length. Nature Metabolism, 2022, doi 10. 1038 per second 42255, 022, 00629, 2 Chi-Sang Yang, Luca Fagnocchi, Stefanos Apostle, Vanessa Wegert, Salvador Casani Galdan, Catherine Landreth, Ilaria Panzeri, Erez Dror, Stefan Hain, Till Warple, Daryl P. Chandler, Di Lu, Dao Yang, Elizabeth Gibbons, Rita Guerrero, Jose. 2022, September 12. Scientists redefine obesity with discovery of 2 major subtypes. Science Daily. retrieved September 12, 2022 from ift.tt/2q1 Oomph van Andel Research Institute. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel for more videos.